Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents eating celery every day for a week will do this to your body. Celery is a green vegetable which is crunchy, stingy and full of water, but it doesn't have some flavor. Many people don't like it because of that, but it's extremely healthy. You can use it cooked, raw, in dips, etc. Eating a stalk of celery can help you burn numerous calories. Still, even though it helps you fight calories, people still don't like to eat it. Celery also helps you lose weight, decrease arthritis pain, lower your levels of cholesterol, decrease blood pressure. Today I am presenting you some of the most helpful information that will help you intake celery more and more every day. Why should we all eat celery? It is abundant in minerals like potassium, magnesium and calcium, but also numerous vitamins like K, C, A and B. Still, the most amazing thing it obtains are the phytonutrients. These plant chemicals help us against the sun rays which are damaging our skin, protect us from insects, etc. Phytonutrients are full of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Some people find it very hard to get used to the texture celery has, but it improves the intracellular communication and our immune system. They can also help us repair our DNA and eliminate the toxic damage. So many professors claim that it is amazing against heart problems and cancer. These are some effects celery will have on your body if you consume it for 1 week. Here is a list of some health benefits that eating celery can offer to you. Weight loss. Celery contains a high amount of fiber but a low amount of calories. It can satisfy your hunger and you don't have to eat plenty. Improved hydration. Celery contains 95% of water. If you eat a lot of it, it will help you against dehydration. Decreases inflammation. In case you have an increased risk of chronic inflammation, cancer or cardiovascular problems, eating celery will help you decrease the risk and fighting these health problems. Stops acid reflux and heartburn. There is a low level of acidity in celery. In case you have a problem with acidity, eating celery can really help you with this. Decreases blood pressure. According to studies, celery can also help you decrease the blood pressure by 18%. Improves digestion. Celery's content of fiber improves our intestines' health and we have regular bowel movements. Improves your levels of cholesterol. According to many studies, celery can help you decrease the levels of cholesterol by 7%. Healthy eyes. Celery is also full of vitamin A, which helps you against dry eyes and protects your cornea. Mosquito repellent. According to many studies, the extract of celery oil can help us repel mosquitoes. Try it out during the summer period. Conclusion. Celery is abundant in health benefits. It isn't that tasty, but if you just try avoiding chips and eating more celery for a period of 1 week, the results will definitely amaze you. Your whole health will be improved. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.